Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing the news region in the Yahoo Finance app. This feature allows you to customize your news feed to focus on specific countries or markets, ensuring you receive the most relevant financial news. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, select App Settings from the menu that appears. Then tap on Regions and Currencies. You'll see an option labeled Set News Region and Default Currency based on Market Region. Toggle this setting off. Finally, tap on News Region and choose your preferred country from the list provided. This customization ensures that the financial news you receive is tailored to your interests and location. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.